The German Bioeconomy Council sees bioeconomy as key element of social transformation towards a more sustainable economy. The Council defines bioeconomy in terms of the production and use of biological resources and new biointelligent concepts for the provision of products, processes and services. Bioeconomy is relevant for all areas of society, trade, industry and daily life. Our society is facing enormous challenges. Let's take the continuing climate change and the call of many people for more climate protection. Let's think about dwindling resources and the loss of ecosystems, the decline of biodiversity and the consequences for us humans worldwide. Let's look at a constantly growing world population whose nutrition we must ensure. If we embrace a bioeconomical production, working and lifestyle, completely new opportunities will arise to meet these challenges. Let us take nature as a model where everything is in balance. There is no waste, all loops are closed. Bioeconomy transfers this closed loop principle to the production of food, basic chemicals, materials and many other products. In a circular economy based on renewable raw materials and sustainable processes, everything is in balance. This leads to economic benefits for all of us and protects and preserves natural and social resources. Thinking bioeconomically means knowing the cycles of nature and using its principles. To do this, we need to develop biointelligent processes and technologies that are both sustainable and economical. Our claim goes beyond the production of bio-based products. We want to develop bioeconomic solutions for all areas of industry and daily life. Bioeconomy is a holistic approach. This leads to a paradigm shift in industrial production. With currently 74 institutes, the Fraunhofer-Gesellschaft is Europe's largest organization for application-oriented research. Researchers at the Fraunhofer-Gesellschaft study biological systems and combine their findings with creative technologies to develop pioneering innovations for a sustainable, bio-based economy. And they make a decisive contribution to shape our future. Bioeconomy is a strategic research field of the Fraunhofer-Gesellschaft that is organized across all institutes. Fraunhofer IGB combines biology and engineering for human health, an environment worth living in, and sustainable industrial production. At the IGB and its branches in Leuna and Straubing, we develop biointelligent processes for medicine. We optimize the bioeconomic production of chemical products and materials from renewable resources. We improve water and wastewater systems, and we conduct research on the recovery of nutrients from food production. And all of this from laboratory to pilot scale. Several measures are required to accelerate the industrial implementation of bioeconomy. The coordination of federal and state research funding initiatives should be interdisciplinary and cross-departmental in order to efficiently bundle funding and financing measures. A global innovation fund would be an effective instrument to accelerate the transfer of research results into industry. The mobilization of private capital and the support of venture capital are important in this context. Training and continuous education for experts should be supported by inter- and transdisciplinary training and study programs. The establishment of acceleration centers as strategic infrastructures would be beneficial. A good example is the IBISBA initiative at European level. Last but not least, new interaction formats that enable continuous citizen participation are important for urgently needed social dialogue. At Fraunhofer IGB, we want to promote and accelerate the positive effects of a sustainable bioeconomy with regard to industrial implementation, sustainability development goals and society. We combine biology and engineering with sustainability and social participation. Key to the success of sustainable transformation are technological development, social acceptance, and political support.